I am Micah Brown with Micah Brown Media. This is Leonard Drina from Lenny J.
Media.
I want to make sure I got that right.
Just switched from photography, that's why.
Let me start over. Wait for the vacuum to stop.
It's a good idea.
I like the idea about putting in some cinematic music, though.
Yeah.
You know, the videos where the music is way too epic for what's actually happening.
Yeah. So you should like start it off, and I can just be like, cue the cinematic music.
Dun, 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 dun. You know, it's like that
Yeah.
B-roll we shot the other day, but like with the really epic, like Inception style music.
Yeah.
Where it's like, why are we doing this?
Exactly. That is perfect. You can make a song out of that and just kind of base the whole track around that noise. Hide it from the video.
The vacuum?
Yeah.
It's a good vacuum. It's a Makita. You know, like the men's power tools?
Yeah.
Yeah, they make a vacuum.
That's cool.
It's like the best, like, it's like a dust buster. You know, like, I don't know if your parents ever had, like, the beige one you hang on the wall.
Mm-mm.
Anyway, they're, like, complete trash.
Okay.
Like, everyone had one, but they were just total trash.
Nice.
I'm Micah with Micah Brown Media. This is Leonard Drina with Lenny J. Media, and that's a really loud vacuum.
We'll be right back after these messages.
I'm Micah with Micah Brown Media, and this is Leonard Drina with Lenny J. Media, and today we are unboxing a box.
Mystery box.
I wish I had like one of those flippy out knives, so you'd be like, what? Like a butterfly knife. Just like whip it around just for like a...
Just don't cut me.
Don't cut me, bro. I'm making my primary incision.
It's a nice cut. I like it. Ooh.
Little pillows.
What's
little
inside the
puffy
box?
Pillows. Another box. Just what I always wanted.
Another box.
What had better not be in this box is what it says on the box.
Uh-oh.
Because it says Power Shot Vixia something or other. That's not what he ordered. That is not what I ordered. But this says the right thing. So, how many of those unboxing videos have you done where you have the wrong box but the right thing? It's like Christmas, you know? It's like, oh, a toaster. A what?
This could be an interesting video.
I hope it's an R5.
A Canon question mark?
Canon Mystery Box. Literally, Canon Mystery Box. More poppy stuff.
Shots fired.
Service and support.
They're very interested in that.
Thank you for purchasing a Canon product. You're welcome, Canon. Ooh. Have you ever seen those?
Counterfeits can be dangerous. Get informed.
Counterfeits can be dangerous.
There can be many.
There we go.
Still not there.
That is the power of Canon autofocus, I will tell you what. It's like, I don't want to look at that. That's not a face. Anyway.
Is there any way to...
Accidents can be dangerous. Counterfeits can be dangerous.
There we are.
Be informed. There we go. And look at that. Right back on the face. Autofocus.
That worked.
Dual pixel autofocus. Done. Refurbished. Save your money, friends. Buy refurbished straight from Canon. They'll treat you right. That's what I'm looking for. Today we're unboxing the Canon Kiss X10. What about the, have you heard of the 200D Mark II?
I've never heard of that.
What about the Rebel SL3?
Oh.
That's probably one that people have heard of.
Yes.
And that is what we are unboxing today. But first we're gonna start with the good stuff that everybody likes to see, the battery chargers. There it is, folks, genuine battery charger. It's not gonna end up like that picture that we just showed you where everything's on fire.
I was kind of hoping you'd open it up and there'd accidentally be an R5 in there.
that would be the greatest unboxing video in the history of YouTube. LPE 17 battery. I don't know which other models right off the top of my head use that one, but there it is, folks. Ooh, fancy. I like this.
Strap.
The strap, but it's not like it's not the red one with like all the stuff. I like the more muted tones. That's really cool. Cause I'm one of those people, literally I went to a photography meetup thing with like a local group of photographers. And it was one of those things where like everybody has like, you know, like tourist style, like their camera. That's when you know you're with a lot of professionals. Is when they have to like flaunt like
what they got.
What was that guy's name who wore the clock? Flavor Flav?
Flavor Flav, yeah.
Yeah, like when you have to wear it, like you're working too hard.
Battery.
Look at that.
For any beginners out there, that's how that works.
That's where the battery goes inside the charger. This came with the
lenses.
The 1855 if you are from the ghetto. This is the silver version. This is stabilized because the crop on the SL3 is pretty significant. It's gonna be pretty tight with the 18. Probably gonna be closer to like the 24, 35 area, something like that. I have to look it up. Don't ask me the specs. I don't remember the spec sheets. But
he is a professional.
Look it up yourselves. And this is the pasty resistance.
Gotta be pasty.
That's French for the good stuff.
Oh.
Yeah.
I thought it was because it was white.
Look at that. Look at that. You gotta bring race into it.
It's a stormtrooper camera.
Yes, exactly. Fits my macros. You can't see my computer just off to the side, but if we could pan over there, you would see that black and white is definitely within my branding. If you can't tell by my giant white office, and then you know, my logo's orange, so but that just looks sweet.
It does.
I mean, it's aimed more at like, you know, like mommy bloggers, but I just think it looks, like he says, a stormtrooper status. Like, that's legit.
Star Wars fans, if you want to vlog,
there you are.
that's your camera.
That's awesome. And SL3, it's got the flip outs, so you can be Jimmy Toucan with the flip outs.
Gotta have that.
The thing I am most interested in, why I landed the plane on the SL3 when we're shooting on a 5D Mark IV, is because I just have the one camera. I'm always, when it's in like live stream mode, taking it down from all of this is like a huge pain, especially with the setup that I have, doing like getting everything set up and all plugged in and whatever. And then if I have production, I gotta take the whole thing apart and then put it all back together, and doing that multiple times is just really annoying. So that's why I was like, I need a dedicated live streaming camera to just have in place so I can just turn it on and hit record. And that's what this camera will be taking the place of. The reason I went with the SL3 is because it has, according to the spec sheet, we're gonna plug it in and test all this stuff, but according to the spec sheet, it will do 4K out over HDMI, and it will do 4K 422 10-bit over HDMI. This is, I paid $549 for this camera with the lens.
10-bit for $500.
Where'd the receipt go? It was in here somewhere. I threw it on the ground, I think. There it is.
Because you threw it on the ground.
Oh, this is just a shipping manifest. It doesn't say how much I paid for it. I was gonna try to impress you, but
just trust him. Take him at his word.
Trust me.
He's an honest
Take me
man.
at my word. Yeah, I paid like $549, and that was with the lens. And that's why you buy refurbs, because the body itself on B&H, as of this writing, we're filming, what have you, it was $549 for just the body, and it was like, it was more expensive. I think it was like $6 something if you wanted the white one, because Canon knows they can capitalize on the Star Wars fans with the Stormtrooper cameras. So we're gonna get this rigged up and plugged into the computer for live stream setup. Maybe not full-blown setup, but at least plugged in and checked out to see, can we get 4K 10-bit 422 for like less than $600, like lens included. So that's gonna be really awesome. Stay tuned, and we'll catch you on the flip side.
I should have done a backflip.
Can you?
It's been a couple years. I might hurt myself.
Don't do that.
Catch you on the flip side and then backflip.
You do that on your own time.